So when we're selecting pigs for pastured pigs, it's important to get the phenotype right. The pigs that the industry uses, we call them Arnold Schwarzenegger piggies. You know, they've got a great big rear end and they look like a square. What we want is a more torpedo phenotype. So if you see this black spotted pig, that's a perfect pig for what we're talking about here, because he's straight. You can lay a stick from his shoulder, and his hindquarter is all straight. The red one right there is excellent as well. Sloped off a little bit in the back, sloped off in the front, and straight down the sides. They have a great gait. They walk really well. These real square, boxy Arnold Schwarzenegger piggies, they don't like to walk, you know, they actually don't perform in this kind of a setting. This is asking a little bit of the pig. You know, we need them to put on a little bit of fat. They need to have a really healthy immune system, and we need them to be able to exercise, to move, because when we get ready to take these to slaughter, we actually take them over to the road, and they actually walk the 3/4 of a mile back to the house, the corral. They gotta walk, so they gotta be, you know, really fit, ambulatory, and all that. So this is a pretty good one coming right here. You can see he's flat along the edges, and his rear doesn't stick out too far, and he's sloped off in the back, sloped off. We call that a torpedo phenotype. That's what we're looking for. Notice we've got all sorts of different colors, and people are always asking, you know, what breed of pig do I get? What we have found is there's way more difference within breeds than there is from breed to breed. Every breed has pigs with this kind of torpedo body phenotype that we like, and pigs that are like Arnold Schwarzenegger piggy that have been bred up, and they're this square box with a big rear, and they walk kind of arthritically, and it's because it does hurt for them to walk. They're overbred and over lean. So what we look for is phenotype, not breed. So there's red ones and spotted ones and black ones and all sorts of different kinds here. But the bottom line is they all have this kind of torpedo phenotype that works for us in this setting.